It's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So by now you may have watched my Kurt Geiger collection video, and I told you guys when I unveiled my pink Kurt Geiger bag that I will be posting a styling video, and so here we are. Before we jump into that, I will say that I also discussed some new additions, y'all. And so the irony that these two items would arrive the day after I edited and posted the video, and the day before I released the video. And so it's just like, girl, you have decisions to make. And I said I'll just save them for this video. Here we go. So I told you in the collection video that I had an update for this bag, and here we are. These are Nordstrom Rack items. And so this is the multi-card holder in orange. We don't have enough space on here for a full unboxing. Let me just open this packaging and then do a reveal. Okay, so it's out of the plastic. The box is nicely wrapped. Let's see here. Maybe don't want to do that, but it is what it is. You see it? More packaging. Let's just get to the point. Yes, I'm so happy I held out for this. There was, over the summer, Nordstrom had, it was like the neon version of the card holder, and I almost went for it because it had an orange stripe, but I really wanted this, and I'm happy I held out because Nordstrom Rack then offered this one at a lower price than the other one that I was back and forth about. And so now she has her official matching SLG, so she no longer has to borrow from the rainbow collection. And there is that one. So one item down, one more item to go. Because we are discussing this beauty today and how I plan to style her, she now has yes. And so it's funny how, so over the summer, Nordstrom Rack had a pink card holder on sale, and I started to get it and just hold it until I found the bag, but I was just like, no girl, just wait until you get the bag. And I'm looking at this that I was back and forth about whether or not I would like it or whether or not it would be the right size. I'm happy I held out. So this is just everything. So it has the card slots, it's basically a wallet. It's not just a card holder, it's a whole wallet. And it has zipper compartments for coins. So I'm happy I held out. I like this. And low key now I'm tempted to go back and see what other colors it comes in. So now she has her matching wallet, matching SLG. So what has this little beauty taught me? That there is no such thing as an exact match. I have so much pink stuff because pink is my favorite color, has been my favorite color, will always be my favorite color. And I have so much pink stuff that I just knew was going to be, it was going to kill them once this was added to it. It was just going to be, yes, the extra razzle dazzle that I needed. And I started pulling stuff out, and I was just like, ooh girl, ooh girl. It's your birthday all over again. So much pink, so much pink. And so I think I've pulled together at least 3 solid looks. Now some of them, it's like, okay, I see where you're going. Some of them you're gonna have to adjust the brightness on your screen. You've been warned, okay? You've been warned. I don't wanna ramble too much because my camera is just over me being a content creator. So without further ado, let's jump right into our how to style video, shall we? So first look, this dress, you can see the colors. It's like pink and green, like pinstripe. It has nice little pearl buttons on it. This dress is a size way too big. She's a Shein find. When I saw this dress, I immediately thought of this bag. I just think this is so cute together because of the pink. Now, as far as shoes, it could be taken two directions. It could go this way, keep the shoe neutral because the bag, keep the shoe neutral because the bag is saying so much on its own. Or I could go a white sneaker. These sneakers have officially been fired from my collection because they're hard to clean. And y'all know that I am 3-stripe life all day, so I will put on, I've actually worn this, a different variation of this over the summer. I carried my green penny 25 and I had green socks and these sneakers. But yes, y'all, so this dress and this bag is a look. This look is for the girlies who refuse to let the summer go. Who are, even though it is fall and fall is falling, y'all are still holding on, trying to scrape the last little bit out of the summer jar, the summer container. This is for y'all. All right, that's enough. Let's get into the fall winter look. Let's get into an epic fail. Okay, so I thought, I just could not wait. I thought I was going to wear this to the Barbie movie, go with like Warfare Barbie. Who you fitting to try? I bet it ain't me. Ooh, I bet it ain't me. None of it. It's a negative soldier. It does not go at all. So I have to style all of these items differently because they just do not work together at all. But y'all know how to style video for me is complete without a graphic tee. There will be others. Both items are from Fashion Nova. Let's see here. So if you feel like you've seen me wear camo before, that's because I doubled back and got the pink version of the Cadet Kims that I've had since 2019. I decided to double back and get the pink ones because they were on sale. But it's a negative for this outfit and that bag. So let's just keep going. Another graphic tee fit, some wide leg distressed denim jeans. This shirt is also a Fashion Nova find. The Barbies are Barbieing to capacity. The brown girl Barbies are Barbieing to capacity. And these wide leg jeans. And now this from Macy's. Are the pinks an exact match? No. But you can be anything with Barbie. Is this bag giving each sold separately? Absolutely, but it's our Barbie moment. You can throw on a blazer or a cardigan. We actually have a cardigan here to accommodate all the fall feels. And so again, the lesson is, unless it came from the same, cut from the same exact cloth, there is no such thing as exact match. Would I wear this out? Absolutely. With some sneakers? Absolutely. Yes. So this is a look. Yes. This gives me all the fall feels. The Barbie moment that I've been longing for. So when I pulled out these jeans, I remembered this. How could I forget? It's in all of my Different by Design branding pictures. And that is this wool open cardigan, floor length. Listen, I'm here for it. And here we go, here we have it. There's so many different ways I could go with this. I could pull out the camel colored XXL Kensington. I can pull out the bone. I've actually carried it with the bone But let's try to pair her with the pink and these wide leg distressed jeans. Now for this look, once again, nude pump, because there's so many things going on. We keep the shoe neutral, and this will be a moment. It's not quite there yet. I'm so hyped for real fall, all the fall feels, not just a little bit that we're getting now. But yes, this will, I don't know where I'll wear this, probably back to church. I don't know where else I'll get a chance to wear this, but yes. So this is the look. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Next slide, please. Because denim is all the rage this season, we have this denim boiler suit that I'm still kicking myself for getting. Not only did I buy a tall, which is not bad, I bought it in a tall, and I bought it in a size too big. I had it in an extra large. I felt like it didn't fit quite right. I think I showed you guys this outfit in my Old Navy haul last year. As you can see, tag is still on it, because I meant to buy a belt to wear with it, because that's the only way I can actually wear this. And I'm actually going to have to put a cardigan over it when I wear it. But you can never go wrong with mechanic Barbie. This will be so cute together. Only issue is if you start tripping, like I probably will, and that's the mixing of the metallics, mixing of the metals. But I can see this with an open cardigan over it, a little nudie pump situation, or some sneakers. Low key, y'all, there's a pair of sneakers I currently have my eye on that has this exact color pink in it. But like I said, y'all, the goal was to not shop. But yes, I could definitely see this together. It just needs a lot of shaping. It's not bad. It just needs a little shaping. Y'all know that Target has the denim jumpsuit right now, and I was just like, you're not getting that because you already have 2 jumpsuits in your closet, and you've only worn one of the 2, and you've only worn that one time. So I told myself, no, we're gonna work with what we have. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with what we have. But yes, so much fabric. But this is a look. So this will be a look once I give it a little shaping. Next look, please. So this next look is actually a loungewear set that I was trying to figure out if I could turn it into like an outside outfit, but I would have to size up. This outfit is in a large. I would have to get it in a extra large or a 1X for me to pull off what I had in mind. But you see Barbie, she is just so pretty. Like this hair, spatial afro, just, it's giving. So immediately I saw I could pull from her complexion. I have a brown open cardigan. I have no idea where it is right now. It's too hot. My stomach is saying, hey girl, listen, it's past dinner time. You ate a salad for lunch. We off that. Okay, we off that. What are we doing for dinner? So temporarily, I'm thinking maybe this, and then of course our Barbie moment bag. But again, I would have to size up. So I'll have to check the website, because these pants, even with, like, you can see the shapewear, I would never, like, this is not me. I just never took them off from what I wore for work today, but it is what it is for right now. But these pants are a ski taste too tight, and the way they have the label, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, probably not. They're definitely not squat proof because the label is black and you can see the label straight through on the tank and the pants. So I will definitely have to size up to make this look work. But she's just, I actually have this Barbie, plus size Barbie. Yes. So I told y'all there was a look you were going to have to adjust your brightness. I saved the best for last. So this grown-up Garanimals set, and it has pockets, is from Walmart. It's by the Love and Sports collection. And I got both pieces in an extra large. But the pants are perfect. The shirt, not so much. I could definitely size down at the top and get a large. This is just half of the extra, okay? What if we decide to throw in, I don't know, y'all see it coming your way? This lovely pink teddy coat that we got from Fashion Nova earlier this year when it was on super duper sale. We throw on, like, I don't know, some white sneakers because I feel like my pink sparkly Uggs would just be the most. But what if we tossed this in? With this look, where would we go? Where would we go? Some cute sunnies and some cute sneakers or some cute Uggs. Where would we go in all of this pink looking like Bubblicious? Where would we go? Dressed like bubble tape. Bubble yum. Oh boy. What's the song? 32 flavors of the Bootylicious bubblegum. Raspberry strop chop. I don't know. Don't get me. Me and lyrics don't always go together. But yes, this is the Barbie moment I've been waiting for so long, y'all. This is it. This is it. I might have to do another birthday photo shoot. If the Lord lets me see 21 again. If it be His will. I'd like to do another photo shoot. But yes, y'all. Yes. Oh. Came together. Finally came together. Yes. Yes. Again, this look, Fashion Nova, Love and Sports. Kurt's got London. Oh, yes. Y'all really don't understand how happy this look is making me right now. This is just all the fall winter feels, all the Barbie feels. It's just chef's kiss. I can't wait. Definitely needs something. It's so extra. Like I told y'all, adjust the brightness. If you didn't listen, that's on you. That's on you. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you feeling any of these looks? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.